Everyone, this video I'm going to demonstrate to you the makeup cam filter and Instagram filter that I've created. So let's start. There are icons at the bottom which allow you to choose the areas on the face. For example, you can choose, let's choose your mouth, and then we can tap on the screen and drag in order to change the color. Now again, you need to tap, make your finger stay on the screen and then drag on the screen. And it depends on where you tap and the amount of drag, this will decide the color. Again, let's change the eyes, for example. And now if I want to reduce the opacity, the transparency, I can use the slider. There's a slider there, so I can just tap and reduce it, and then it reduces the transparency. Looks more natural. I can change the color of the eyelashes. Again, tap and drag. Let's change the cheekbone area here color. That's too much. Alright, now I can change the eyeliner at the bottom. Tap and drag. The eyeshadow, let's put it a bit more like this. I'm bad at this, but you understand the idea. And I can change the eye corner color as well. Tap. See, can change the colors, transparency also for this. And I can also change the eyelash length as well. So many different variations. Again, the app remembers the change that you made to the different areas. So if I move to another one and go back, it would remember this. So try it out. It's called Makeup Cam. It's available on my Instagram filter, wowfilters.com. The link will be at the description of this video below. So make sure you check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. To follow me on Instagram, because I released many updates and new filters, so you get notified when I release something new. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this filter. If you have problems, by the way, regarding when you see kind of a black area on the face, just go to another filter and go back again and it will be fixed. I don't know the reason for this, but it happens. Hopefully it will be fixed either by Spark developers, or maybe I'll find something that I did that causes this and I'll fix it up. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.